Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SIM is active and the device is unlocked. Insert Lycamobile into the primary slot. Next, top up credit or buy a data bundle. Note the expiry. Once done, open Settings and turn on Mobile Data and Background App Refresh. This ensures apps can use your plan. Make sure APN is set to Lycamobile defaults if prompted. This gets your line ready so you can move to configuring usage and testing connectivity without delays. You now configure the access point name, enter Lycamobile as the APN, leave username and password blank unless your plan specifies otherwise. Save and select that APN, then set preferred network to 4G or 5G depending on device. Once done, set a data limit or warning to avoid unexpected charges, and enable or disable data roaming based on travel plans. After configuring, open a browser and load a page. This confirms the APN and network are working before you finish by monitoring usage in the Lycamobile app or with a UST code. Check remaining MB and expiry so you can renew timely. If data fails, first toggle airplane mode, then restart your phone and reselect the Lycamobile APN. This often restores service. If the issue persists, make sure SIM is seated, note your IMEI and SIM number, and contact Lycamobile support. Provide those details so they can diagnose and push settings or.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.